Welcome to our guide on mobile security setup for 2025. Today, we'll explore the vital importance of protecting your privacy in a constantly connected world. The current threat landscape is complex and evolving. Cyber threats are on the rise, and understanding them is crucial for your safety. When selecting a mobile device, look for essential security features like biometric authentication, encryption capabilities, and regular updates. Let's dive into configuring your device settings. Follow this step-by-step guide to enhance your privacy. Be mindful of app permissions. Only grant access to what's absolutely necessary to protect your data exposure. Utilizing VPNs and secure browsers is pivotal for enhancing your online security, safeguarding your personal information while you browse. Regularly updating your device is essential. Software patches fix security vulnerabilities, keeping your data safe. Choose reliable antivirus and anti-malware apps. They provide an extra layer of protection against threats. Implement two-factor authentication wherever possible. It adds an extra layer of security that can deter unauthorized access. In conclusion, maintaining long-term mobile security and privacy requires consistent efforts and vigilance. Stay informed and proactive.